उद्देगांक 60% नोकऱ्यो गोयच्या तरणाट्यां खातीर राखीव दवरच्यो पडटल्यो. नव्या उद्देगीक धोरणांत तशी अटच घातल्या. कंपन्यांनी गोयच्या तरणाट्यांक नोकऱ्यो दिल्यो ना जाल्यार तांकां सरकाराच्या येवजण्यांचो लाव मेळचो ना, उद्देग मंत्री माविन गुदिन्हो सांगता. उद्देगांक लागपी गरजेचे परवाने आतां वन विंडो सिस्टम खाली मेळटले अशें माविनाचें म्हणणें आसा.
They will not get any other incentive others from the government.
If they don't
Industry that way is dependent on so many things on the policies of the government. Yeah, there are many opportunities. In fact, much more than the policy, the small scale sector, MSME sector. तांकां आमी कितें ना कितें करपा येवजिला. ऑलरेडी पॉलिसीन आसा, सेंट्रल पॉलिसीन आसा ती आतां आमचे पॉलिसीन ट्यून करून खंय फायन ट्युनिंग करून आमच्या लोकलां ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा ते आमी करतले. वी हॅव जस्ट स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस टुडे. कॅबिनेट हॅज जस्ट क्लियर्ड ना. सी इट विल एक्चुअल ground reality of implementation will happen according to me less than a month. Badal already kela. It is already sent a positive signal. See, when the day I became, I sent a positive signal. You ask any association from industry, I said I will do this. Today I succeeded in doing that. Next will be to tweak wherever amendments are to be brought in the assembly. This assembly was curtailed. I would have tried to do it in this assembly. Maybe I do it in the next assembly. गरज पडल्यार आमी रेडी आसले ऑर्डिनन्स सुद्धा इश्यू करतले. Based on the new policy, wherever tweaking is required, we will be doing it. चडशे प्लॉट अलॉटमेंटाचे काम आमी IDC दिल्ले आसा. नॉर्मली सरकार कांय सोडपा सोदना. आमी ते काडून IDC कडेन दिला न्ही. ओन्ली मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स more than 100 crores requiring huge tracts of land, that IPB will recommend to them. Other direct IDC आमी power दिला. हे कित्याक केला? Decentralization of power in a transparent manner, allot land to industry, because that was the major hindrance for industry to come.